Hi
Hello,
there.
friends.
Today let's explore the forest and the Pacific Ocean with the animals. Come on, let's go. I see some elephants and snakes and birds and monkeys and dinosaurs and giant monsters and fish. That's the Komodo dragon, is a giant lizard that has fangs and his forked tongue like a snake that feast on prey instantly. And that's the Triceratops and the Pentaceratops that has 3 horns and 15 horns. Some animals are bigger size than bigger animals. Pentaceratops 1. Ooh, there are so many awesome animals. In America and South Africa, tarantula, lions, T-Rex, monster worm, all kinds. Some animals look alike. That's called a swarm of raptors. Ooh, that's cool. I like it. OMG, lions, and it's big. Zebras, and apes. No way, Godzilla. It's huge. They're fighting. OMG, Gojira 1. It's a giant turtle. He started to swim. We're going to the ocean. Here we go again. I see some whales and sharks and sea snakes. And a big Cthulhu. OMG, that's a blue. It's a sea eater. Oh, that's a goblin shark.